Today on Tucker Time, we're going to do dry ice science. First up, snake skin. For this experiment, all you need is a bottle of warm water, green food coloring, and soap. Put some green food coloring into your water. A little soap, and then dry ice. We put this in a container so we can catch any mess. Whoa, it's like going through the bubbles. The bubbles look like snake skin, and that's what the experiment is called. Isn't that cool? It looks just like a snake. Now pop it. Let's look. Oh, no. Bonus activity, bubble paint. Bubble paint! Next up, dizzy ice. For this experiment, we're going to put food coloring into a tub of water. Mix it up. Now we're going to add our dry ice. One small piece. Oh, it's spinning! It's spinning! The dry ice is changing from a solid to a gas. This is called sublimation. The spinning demonstrates Newton's third law. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. As the gas projects from one side, it pushes the ice in the other direction. If a gas goes in an angle, it will spin. This is kind of like a hovercraft. The gas escaping from the bottom makes a layer of gas between the water and dry ice, so it can skim with little friction over the surface of the water. The crystal ball. All you need is a bowl of warm water, dry ice, and soapy wrap. I want to touch it. Put some dry ice into the bowl. Are you okay, sir? Why did that scream at me? Because the metal's vibrating from the gases escaping. Okay, that's
a little bit more.
Okay, this one is a good one. It's not screwing at us. Now take your washcloth, make sure it's damp but not dripping, and put it over top. Be patient. This might take some practice. Whoa. Oh, whoa! There's more bubbles floating with it. There's bubbles inside of the bubble.
You got it.
That's
Here it goes.
Okay, now it is. Oh. Oh, what? forget things.
Okay. You play with that for a little bit.
It's so cool because anytime you pop it, you get smoke. Do you know why it's so smoky? Because dry ice is frozen carbon dioxide gas. The warm water makes it sublimate, which means it's changing back into the gas. Very cold carbon dioxide actually mixes water vapor in the air. That makes like a cloud. The fire extinguisher. This dry ice is sitting in a jar, and I'm going to try pouring the carbon dioxide gas to extinguish this flame. It should work because the gas is heavier than oxygen. So I could pour it out, and carbon dioxide will extinguish the flame. It worked! That was awesome. Let's do it again. Hope you liked my video on dry ice science. And remember, smash that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe if you like my videos. Bye. Don't forget to follow me on social media. Thanks for watching Tucker Time. Never touch dry ice without protection. It will burn. Be sure to be in a well-ventilated area.